Hello guys in the academic writing class, how are you doing? Well, I decided to create this mind map because I see there are some people that are awfully confused about what we are supposed to be doing and what we are supposed to be reading. So, I want to show you what the course is it's kind of structured around. So as you can see in this mind map, there are three different colors, okay, that represent the three different terms in our semester. The first term finishes today, which is the pink one, right? That's the one that ends today. The blue one is the second term, which starts as of Monday. And the third term is the red one, which starts, let me tell you, it starts on October the 26th, okay? So this is our entire semester picture, okay? And as you can see in the black box, let me try to zoom this out. The black box says the main task for the academic writing class is the theoretical framework. So the entire semester, we're going to be constructing the theoretical framework. This first term, we have concentrated on the first construct 1, which is the first set of concepts supporting your work theoretically. So some of you completed this chart, which was the construct 1, construct 2, construct 3, in which I clarified that it was term 1, term 2, term 3. So you completed, and so the idea or the expectation is that, for example, Emily right now is constructing the weaknesses in the curriculum design of the development and what is bilingualism, right? Shirley is constructing mathematics didactics, teaching and learning. Maria Camila is constructing learning as second language for kids. Julio is constructing anxiety towards speaking in a second language, physical and psychological, effective public speaking in the foreign language, and so forth and so on, right? So how do we construct this? We do 3 readings. I instructed you to find 3 theoretical framework readings for each one of the constructs. So in this moment, let's say Julio is working on the anxiety topic. So author 1, whomever it is going to talk about the anxiety in general, okay? Author 2, Lopez, is working about anxiety in public scenarios, like general. And author 3 is talking about anxiety in adults. So even though we have the same topic, similar topics, adults and public and etc., we have the same construct, which is anxiety, right? So Julio is not mixing this out with English learning or nothing like that. He's just focused on anxiety, okay? Then when the second term comes, okay, that means as to next Monday, then you guys are going to start constructing your second term, your second construct, meaning you're going to go for the second column in this chart. So you're going to go for low exposure to English language environment of learning, motivation, interest, curiosity, and fast learning, learning style, kinesthetic activities, etc. Right? So what do you have to do there? You're going to get 3 different authors. I switched the order for this. Sorry. So you're going to choose 3 different authors or 3 different resources, 3 new books that you are going to use to construct this second construct. So you present the concept from different points of view, different angles, but it's the same construct, okay? And then we move on to the third term with the same. The same meaning a different construct, right? So we go back to the chart. So we go to, for example, Camila will work on flipped learning as her third construct, and Julio will work on university students, no previous exposure to English. Then Tatiana will work on emotional development of young learners, and so forth and so on. Okay, so why am I saying this? Why am I doing this video? Because I have seen that some people have been doing, for example, 1 author or 2 authors for this first term, but then started presenting topics out of nowhere from the third one. Like something that you had. I am checking this chart as I'm reading the reading guides, and I'm seeing things that belong to the third construct, So I'm like, what happened? Okay, so that's something. Remember that our due date is Monday for your assignment. If you have made this mistake, you still have time to fix it. You still have time for in the weekend to read more resources for your first construct, which is what I'll be collecting, reading, and giving you feedback on, and basing the classes and the sessions and the writing workshops of the second and third term on. Okay? So I hope this video clarifies things. If you didn't understand this before, I am sorry. You should have asked. And of course, you know, it's always we're always learning. So well, this is just a clarification. I hope it helps, and I'll see you later. We have class today, but it's not mandatory. Remember, it's I'm just gonna go there to see who needs me to read something. So just if you want me to read something, just drop by. Okay? So see you guys later, and have a great weekend and work on your first construct.